Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Ghostly from the Amazing Digital Circus. Ghostly, a spirit from the eerie yet enchanting Mildenhall Manor, embodies a whimsical presence within the narrative. This translucent, light teal ghost, with glowing, hollow eyes and a bright, spectral grin, moves through the manor with a wobbly elegance. Their presence, though spectral, is far from menacing. In fact, Ghostly serves as a friendly guide, gently nudging players and characters alike toward the unknown. With giggles that echo through the manor's halls before their actual appearance, Ghostly exudes an almost playful anticipation, setting the tone for what is to come. Their role is to introduce travelers to two doors, one normal and the other quite terrifying, beckoning them toward a choice, a pathway into the heart of the manor's mysteries. However, before Ghostly could fully complete their introduction, an unexpected turn of events took place. Jax, rather abruptly and unceremoniously, wielded a vacuum and sucked Ghostly up mid-speech. This humorous yet jarring interruption halts Ghostly's intended guidance, leaving a comical void in their wake. Despite this, Ghostly's presence lingers, appearing in multiple episodes of the Amazing Digital Circus, most notably in the teaser, Pomni Wake Up Time to Go On an Adventure, and The Mystery of Mildenhall Manor. Their role remains consistent, a spectral yet benevolent figure, guiding characters on a playful journey through the haunting yet captivating mysteries of the manor. In the third minute of episode 3, a ghostly figure materializes, introducing himself as a guide to Pomni, Jax, Ragatha, Gangle, and Kinger. Gangle is the first to notice something unusual, as she hears a faint giggling sound. Moments later, a large door opens, releasing a green, ethereal smoke, from which emerge eyes and a large mouth with sharp teeth. The sight is enough to startle Pomni, whose eyes comically pop out in fear. The ghostly figure, without pausing for reaction, proceeds to explain the upcoming adventure. He directs the group's attention to two doors, stating that the door on the left leads to a normal path, while the door on the right is far more terrifying. However, before the ghost can finish his explanation, Jax, acting impulsively, activates a Ghostbuster-style vacuum trapper and captures the ghostly figure into the device without hesitation. Ragatha, taken aback by Jax's sudden action, expresses her stress over the situation. Jax, however, nonchalantly defends himself, claiming he believed capturing ghosts was their mission. And so, the ghostly guide's role is cut short, abruptly ending his part in the episode. Reflecting on this moment, it seems there was untapped potential in the ghostly character. His presence, albeit brief, hinted at a much larger and perhaps intriguing role, and extending his part could have provided viewers with a richer storyline, giving us the chance to explore his character further. Hope you liked this video. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.